It took an asteroid the size of a mountain to wipe out the dinosaurs. But there is one creature that could erase an entire species in minutes, even a giant like Tyrannosaurus rex. Not a real prehistoric animal, but a being from the game Ark. Extinction, the King Titan. So, here's the question. What would happen if the King Titan suddenly appeared in the late Cretaceous? And could it really wipe out every T-Rex in a matter of minutes? Let's break this down scientifically. The King Titan isn't just a big dinosaur. It's a towering element-powered organism hundreds of meters tall, something that simply cannot exist under real-world physics. In the Cretaceous, its presence alone would be catastrophic. Each step would trigger ground-shaking tremors. Its mass would flatten forests and reshape terrain. Heat and energy from its body could scorch vegetation, and the spread of element would contaminate the environment. This isn't a predator. It's a walking, natural disaster. Tyrannosaurus rex was the apex predator of its ecosystem, but compared to the King Titan, a T-Rex would be the size of a fingertip, lighter than a single scale, and slower than a crawling insect. A T-Rex wouldn't see a rival. It would sense massive vibrations, shockwaves, the sound of something like a moving volcano, and the smell of burning plants. Its instincts would tell it to run, not to fight to survive. If the King Titan had a goal to eliminate all tyrannosaurs, it could realistically do it within minutes to under an hour. Why? T-Rex lived only in Western North America, a small region for a creature this size. Every step would kill or scatter dozens of animals. Shockwaves alone could fatally damage a T-Rex's organs. Destroying the landscape would collapse their entire food chain. It wouldn't even need to find them, just erase their habitat. Estimated timescale: active hunting, 10-30 minutes. Area destruction, 30 to 60 minutes. Using elemental abilities, possibly even faster. Yes, the King Titan could wipe out T-Rex in under an hour. Eliminating T-Rex would only be the beginning. The King Titan would trigger mass deaths among large herbivores, the collapse of predator-prey networks, fires, landslides and ground ruptures, and widespread element contamination. In extreme scenarios, the King Titan could cause a regional extinction event long before the Chicxulub asteroid ever arrived. This thought experiment highlights the difference between real biology, which has strict physical limits, and fictional megafauna, which can ignore gravity, metabolism, and thermodynamics. A creature like the King Titan would be so massive and so destructive that its presence would resemble an asteroid impact more than an animal.